Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We are going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack.
I'd like to point out we're picking a... Oh, there it goes.
There it goes.
I was like, we're picking not the wrong.
Right? If you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it. Off to a fuzzy start.
And are we going to stop? There.
Articles may have shifted during the drive.
I don't know if it thought that I was green. And then we're going to slowly.
It's been doing this lately where it just really creeped out.
I'm going to be honest. My car's driving like shit right now. So.
Ready for the V12 update?
Well, when FSD actually works on my car, because ever since the latest, what is it, version 14? 11.14?
11.4 branch?
Yeah. Ever since we updated my car with that, it constantly goes, cabin camera's unavailable. And you're like, then it won't drive.
Oh, you've had that issue since 4.9, though. On your car.
Yeah, but it's been worse since this latest one. It was every once in a while when we did the 4.9 or whatever, but now it's almost every other drive.
Oh, since the NHTSA recall. Is
Yes.
that what you're saying? Yeah, okay.
I'm not doing that.
So it's signaling to get into the right lane.
Oh no, it's signaling left, I think.
I saw a right turn signal from the air. So if that's the case, then it's throwing incorrect turn signals in the opposite direction. Or is the screen just tiny that you might not be able to see it?
Screen's tiny.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, plus I'm used to looking down instead of over here.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't driven your car in 4 weeks.
I gotcha. No worries.
Look at all the snow piles still up.
No kidding.
Speed okay?
Yep.
I think I'm going to get over so I can let this guy over.
Sounds good. Is that doing that?
Yep.
It usually lane dives there too.
I think I was trying to get to where it could lane dive.
I want to lane dive. Please let me lane dive. I love to lane dive. Wouldn't you love to lane dive? Come on, let me. But some people in San Francisco apparently have flawless drives.
Hey, no. I just got done teaching melodrama all day. I don't want to teach it at home.
I swear to God, that kid drives me nuts.
Can I go a little faster?
Yeah.
43?
Sure. Looks like I can hold 45 if you need to.
43 is good. I think some of these turns, 45 is way too fast.
Well, remember when this road used to be 40, and then they put all the those speed stripes out to see kind of how fast people were going?
It'll be really interesting as this area develops if they bring it back down. But that's that strip of technically what they call Ely instead of the highway.
Yeah.
And everyone just goes highway speeds down it.
Yep.
do have a follow-up question to your debate on X. Remind me to ask it later.
Sounds good.
So if you're watching this, future Andrew in editing, no.
Signaling right.
Nope, signaling left.
Oh, signaling left?
Yes. It does that here on this route. It's like,
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto West 15th Place.
Alright, we need to turn left here.
Now turn left onto West 15th Place.
I need to swing out like this. It's clear to go after that car. Whee!
you got these okay?
Hmm? I need to gain altitude. I can't see them, but we're just going to trust that they're somewhere there. Because I've done this enough times. There they are. Well, you guys, as we approach the end of our drive, if you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks,
Turn left. Then
alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack.
Now turn left.
Sorry, there's a lot of road debris. I didn't feel like
Now turn left.
we're gonna go park.